Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the need for entrepreneurship development. But before going ahead with the need for entrepreneurship development, let's have a look what is entrepreneur or who is an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is a person who with his innovative ideas tries to assemble the various resources for which he raises money and manages the organization. Now, he has a special ability of identifying these innovative ideas and putting them into action. So, that is why an entrepreneur is a person who innovates, assembles inputs, raises money, and manages and sets the organization going. Now, what do you mean by entrepreneurship development? So, entrepreneurship development is an important tool which helps in making an economy more systematic and organized. It is because of various entrepreneurship development that many developing countries like India has open up lots of opportunities which helps in stabilizing the economy of the country. It opens up a lot of opportunities for growth as well. Now, before proceeding ahead with needs of entrepreneurship development, I would like to give you an example of Adani Group of companies. Now, here Gautam Adani, who at the age of 18 came to Mumbai from Ahmedabad. At that time, he started working with Mahindra Brothers as a diamond sorter for 2 years. He worked there, and then an idea came into his mind, and he started the brokerage or business of diamond and earned rupees 10 lakh rupees in the very first year. After this, he again have foreseen and have started with another business where he started exporting salt from Gujarat and entered into a partnership with a multinational American company called as Cargill. Right now, this Cargill company, when started an exporting business with Adani, they were doing it very good. In the meantime, in 1995, Gujarat government announced or had taken a decision of giving the ports to the private players to manage those ports. Now, here, when the Adani got a contract of Mudra port, then he started, you know, managing that port, and after some time while doing this, he started realizing that there will be a huge requirement of power in future. And so he formed, with that foreseen, with that idea, he formed Adani Power Limited, which is now India's one of the biggest private thermal power company, which employs more than 65,000 employees. Now, if we look at this case study, Adani Group of Companies or Gautam Adani, how a simple idea of starting up, learning something, and then on based on that learning, starting the new concept of brokerage, then export of salt, and finally he became one of the most powerful and the biggest thermal power company. Now, this growth, if we see, right, it is all because that entrepreneurship development activity which he has taken at the time when he had come from Ahmedabad to Mumbai, and after gaining experience of 2 years, he started his own venture. Now, these are certain ways in which many of us can become a successful entrepreneurs. Now, why this entrepreneurship development is important? Why do we need an entrepreneurship development? Because of this entrepreneurial activities, lot of advantages, lot of stability comes in economy, right? Our economy starts becoming stable because there is lot of revenue generation, there is lot of capital formation, where the per capita income of people increases because of the employment generation which is done by the entrepreneurial activity. So there is lot more things which we get as an added advantage because of the entrepreneurship development activity. Now let's see one by one all the benefits which we get as a result of entrepreneurship development, or to sum up, why do we need the entrepreneurship development. Now the very first reason why we need for an entrepreneurship development is it adds to the revenue generation. Now the entrepreneurial activity when start contributing in revenue generation in the form of direct taxes as well as indirect taxes. Now, direct taxes, that means the profit whichever the entrepreneur is earning is paying in the form of taxes to the government, because that becomes an income, right? Similarly, indirect taxes like service taxes and other taxes which they pay to the government for conducting the business. So, there is a lot of revenue generation which happens because of the entrepreneurship development. Second advantage is it helps in boosting the economic activity. Now, an economy of a country depends upon the financial stability of a country, right? The financial stability comes from the various small scale, medium scale, and large scale industrial activity which is being done. Lot of money is being put in by the entrepreneurial activity, and that is in the form of capital. When we put lot of money in the form of capital, there is a increase in per capita income. People start getting better off, and as a result there is also, because of the stability, because of the boost in the economic activity, there are options of developing backward area, or there is an opportunity to develop backward areas. Now how do we develop backward areas? Now once the entrepreneurial development is being approved or is being given up, a particular individual is becoming, is giving a permission of starting up an entrepreneurship activity, they can very well start in the backward areas, as the grants are much more easily available in those areas. This motivates them to start their venture, their activity in those areas. Once they start their activities in those areas, obviously there is a lot of development which happens or which is being brought because of these activity. Third reason why we should have an entrepreneurship development activity is it helps in increasing capital formation. Now, entrepreneur is always said to be a creator of wealth. Why? Because the entrepreneur mobilizes the ideal savings of the public in the society. People, once an entrepreneur starts a venture, the people who are having an excess money or who are having money in the form of saving can invest in their company, and as a result their savings start mobilizing, because after all those savings can be used and the returns can be given to the investors, right? It also issues industrial securities for that, and all these helps in building up the capital from the market. It also helps in utilization of various resources properly, which is there in the bank, which is there with the government, which is there with the general public, and as a result there is lot of capital formation which happens in the form of investments. Next reason why we should have an entrepreneurship development activity is because it helps in generating lot of employment. So it leads to employment generation. Now here an entrepreneur generates employment for self as well as the people who are working in his organization also gets an employment or gets employed. So directly and indirectly an entrepreneur or an entrepreneurship development brings lot of employment opportunities for the public, directly for those who are being given job in that particular industry, and indirectly for those who are related with that particular activity. For example, there may be supplier, there may be transporter, there may be marketers. All those people who are indirectly involved in the activity also get employment in some form. So indirectly. Next reason why we should have an entrepreneurship development activity is it helps in having a balanced regional development. Now, in a developing economy, there are a lot of regions which are very well developed and there are a lot of regions which are not developed. Now, these entrepreneurial development or entrepreneurship development activity helps in balancing these regional development. Now, the entrepreneurs can be given a lot of grants and subsidies, and in order to avail these subsidies and grants they set up their industries in backward regions. Once the industries are set up in this backward regions, obviously there will be an overall development which will result. There will be a lot of employment, there will be good infrastructure. The people living in that particular area or region will also start enjoying better living standards. Next, the sixth point, which tells about why we need entrepreneurship development, is it helps in making our economy independent. Right now, independent word is very, very important. Now, entrepreneurs, by starting up their own activity, by converting their ideas into action, contributes a lot in achieving economic independence. How they develop economic independence? They develop economic independence by manufacturing indigenous products for imported products. That means they start production of those products which was otherwise being imported from other countries. They also try to export goods and services which can bring a lot of foreign revenue. So, in a way, these activities which are taken under entrepreneurship development helps in making our economy more and more stable and thereby independent. Next reason why we should entertain or why we should promote lot of entrepreneurship development activity is it also helps in increasing the productivity. Now there are a lot of factors of productions which are available there, but to coordinate them and put it in a proper shape is very, very important. Now entrepreneur through their innovative ideas can coordinate various factors of production which is otherwise not being used properly. So optimum utilization of resources happens or they contribute in the optimum utilization of resources. They also select best combination of factor. As a result, there is little or no wastage of factors of production. Overall efficiency also increases because of the optimum utilization of the resources, and as a result there is lot of growth which we can see in terms of improved productivity. Next, it also helps in reducing the income inequalities. Now, the money, when it starts mobilizing in the market by the entrepreneurial activity, it reduces income inequality. It reduces income inequality by giving employment to many people. It also helps in increasing their income, their purchasing power, mobilizing funds, etc. Next, it also helps in improving the standard of living. Entrepreneurship development activities definitely helps in improving the standard of living. The people who are getting employed in this entrepreneurial activity or in the as a entrepreneurship development program definitely keeps the economy activity moving. Now, when they keep this economic activity moving, it increases their earning capacity. As a result, they are in a better place to have better things, and this helps in increasing or improving in their purchasing power, and hence they can enjoy a better standard of living. Last but not the least, it also brings a lot of consumer benefits. Whenever there is some creativity by an entrepreneur, it gives an added benefit to the consumers in the form of new and better products, affordability, and accessibility. Now, the goods which are being earlier imported from other countries, if being started developing in our own country in the form of indigenous products, As a part of entrepreneurship development, obviously the affordability and accessibility will be much higher. Now, this is all about why do we need to have an entrepreneurship development activity. To sum up, an entrepreneurship development activity helps in making our economy strong by generating lot of employment, by putting lot of revenue in place, by making people earning higher and higher, raising their standard of living, giving them various benefits, and so on. So that is why there is a need for entrepreneurship development activity. Thank you so much.